Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, thank you for staying with me. So I get asked a lot, what are the contents of our bridal bouquet box, which is the Arusa collection we launched, and I thought to make this video for you guys. So I have 3 different Arusa packages and we have launched 2. So the first Arusa package is the bridal bouquet box, which has everything a bride needs, and then we have the bridal DIY glow box, and it also has a bouquet in it, but traditional Gyaran items, traditional skincare items, and it is the most budget friendly traditional skincare box out there. It has everything you need as a bride to shine beautifully on your big day, and you mustn't be a bride before you can purchase our DIY budget bridal glow box. Any woman can purchase it and you can use it in your skincare routine. It is made with traditional natural ingredients like herbs, leaves like henna, and other plants and roots. This bridal glow box is something every lady needs, and the Bakur bridal box is 83,000 naira, which has everything a bride needs. Let me show you guys what these 2 packages look like. So these are the 2 packages, and you can see this is the first one, which is the DIY glow box, and this is 18,000 naira. Then this is the Bakur bridal box, the Arusa bridal box for a bride. So let's see what is in here. I packed this one for a customer. I do not want to open this. I have packed this with lots of love. Yes, I'm not opening this box, but I'm going to show you guys all the contents of this box. Let me pick the items. I have them in my shelf here, and I'm going to pick them and show you guys what are the contents of this small box. But before we do that, let's continue with the big box, which is the Bakur bridal box. So this is the size. Let me turn this. This is the size, guys, and it's quite big. And this weighs, I haven't weighed this, but I'm going to put the weight on the screen when I do that. The contents of this box. So this is the box, and this is what it looks like. It has this beautiful, oh my god, this sheets wrap, tissue wrap, branded with Trari by Aisha. This is export standard. It will fit your aesthetics. This box is so beautiful. I'm going to open this so that you guys will see, and then these are the contents of the box. So there's a burner, and there are 4 big size bahurs, sandal asal, al oud, white oud, and sandal chips. So 2 sandals and 2 oud bahurs. And then if you want us to replace it with the bridal durot, we can do that. And if al banat and sandal nawara, we can also do that, but this is the expensive one. The rest are lower than that. So if you want us to replace with sandal coils, then al banat, it's not even going to be up to 83,000 naira. Then there is also a spray, a clothes spray in here, which is the Arusa spray, and this is a spray for your curtains, and you can also use it on your clothes. Then there is also an oil perfume, and this is the Oud Amira oil perfume, which I launched in April, which has amazing scent, which is long lasting, which is loved by everyone. We also have the Arusa humra, and this is a shabshuka humra, the spicy humra. I dropped a recipe of this humra. This is oh my god, this humra, I will not say too much until you get this. Then there's Mahlab Humra, and this is the bridal Mahlab Humra. After your Garanjiki, or after having a shower, after taking your bath, you can use this humra. It is amazing. It smells so nice, and it is skin friendly for people that do not like using humra on their skin. This is a humra made with spices, made with mahlab seed, which is also known as cherry seeds, and you will love it as a bride. Then we also have the body milk, which is called lait de nuit, and this lait de nuit is a body milk humra. It is nice after shower. It is best used after shower, and it is used on the body, on your pulse points, and this is nice. This is very long lasting, and this is special. Then there is the humra ferche for your clothes. If you want to do the skabasa section, you can use this, and this is in big size. This comes in big size, yes. And then there is a Kullecha for your body. This is a scented body cream. For those of you that don't know what Kullecha means, scented body cream, this is what it looks like, and it smells so amazing. This is traditional Kullecha made with cloves and body softening butters. So, and that's it for the bridal bakur box. These are the contents of the bridal bakur box. Then there's a bonner here, and this comes in white, and some of the boxes have black bonner, some of the boxes have red bonner, brown bonner, but it comes in white, red, and black. For the DIY guarantee box, these are the contents. This is what is in the box, the small box, which costs 18,000 naira. And the first item in the box is bridal dorot. So this bridal dorot is a dorot for the body, not for your home, for the body, after the Dukhan section. These are the items that are in the bridal DIY budget friendly guarantee key box. Show you guys this product step by step. So the first item in the box is the Dilke Scrub, and this is the first item you use in this guarantee key section. If you want to purchase this, like, I also have this available, and this is 3,500 naira. This is what it looks like, and this is not red Dilke, this is brown Dilke Mdankali the Karas. And then the second item in this box is the Khalta Scrub. This is our beauty scrub, glow scrub, whatever you want to call it, but this scrub is amazing. It does magic to your skin. It is a soft scrub. You can use this alone, and you can use the Dilke alone. Some people don't like using Dilke. This is for you. This costs 3,500 naira only. Then the third item is some sticks, some habil stick, and then some nabak stick. I'm not going to talk too much about these two woods, but these are woods that you use in the body Dukhan after doing the Dilke and the Khalta. Then the fourth item in this box is the spirulina, which is called DA. This is what DA looks like, and it is called algae mask. It is used after the Khalta. For those of you that do not want to use the Khalta or the Dilke, you can also use this. This helps in reducing the appearance of breakouts, appearance of hyperpigmentation, and it suits the skin. Like, it suits the skin. If you have redness on your skin, this is what you need. If you have sunburn, this is what you need. And do you guys know that you can also use this on your hair? I'm going to drop details about those products in the description box so that you guys will understand very well, inshallah. Then the last, okay, then we also have the Kullecha, and this is the brown Kullecha. This is skin friendly. It is not very strong. We have the strong version of Kullecha, but this one is just nice, soft. It has a sandal scent, and this is what you use after the Dilke, the Khalta, and after scrubbing off the Dilke and the Khalta on your body. Then after your shower, you apply the Kullecha, and after applying the Kullecha, then get your hot coal, and then place some. I'm not giving you guys as like this, like, it's going to be very small. I'm going to break them into small size so that you can easily burn it in your bakur burner. Then you're going to place some of these sticks you place the habil and the nabak on your hot coal, and then you add your bridal dorot. And this bridal dorot, oh my god guys, it is nice. It is made with herbs and dorot wood. It smells so amazing. Skin friendly. You don't need so much, just few chips is okay, and your body will smell so amazing. So when you add this to the hot coal, and then you are going to cover your body, you make sure you cover your body very well. You allow the smoke to go into your body, and then that's it guys. It's going to make your body smell so nice, and it's going to help with the Dilke and the Khalta. The habil and the nabak, they have their own benefits to the body, and the dorot too has its own benefit, and it will make your body smell so good. I'm going to write all the benefits in the description box, inshallah, for you guys to read through it. If you have a question, drop it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, share this video, and I will, if you want to purchase these items, I can ship this item to you wherever you are in the world. Just send me a DM to the number on the screen, or on IG, or on TikTok, or you can place an order on WhatsApp. I will drop my WhatsApp number on the screen so that you guys can message me, and you can also send me an email if all these options I mentioned are not okay to you. I hope to see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye.